working the pick with your nigga. He bought everything that I got on. Ayy, ayy, throw that.
It's just a regular black tank, okay? It's not look like that, you feel me? This is what the back looks like. Never mind the bralette in the middle. Alright, so this is the first tank top that we're going to be DIYing. This tank top literally only requires scissors and bleach, and that's all. Y'all ignore my nails because I am currently debating whether I want to take these off or let my nails breathe until next month, or do I want to go and get my nails done. And if I need to get my nails done, I kind of need to, well, if I'm going to get my nails done, I need to get them done today, but we're going to see. If I don't have them done by today, then chances are I'm just going to take them off and let my nails breathe until next month. This is literally the easiest DIY. You're going to need trusty scissors, and you're going to need bleach. So the first step we're going to do that doesn't require a more ventilated area, we're just going to make this into a halter top. And how you turn this into a halter top is by going in the back. You can either do it like the good way by using a thread picker to like pick the threads, but see, we are just going to snip and that is literally it. So we snip the back. Once you have it on, you won't be able to see where we cut it at. It looks very linty right now because it probably is, honestly. And boom, you got a halter top. And the next step is going to be to bleach this. So first we're going to bleach the black shirt. I suggest using a spray bottle of water. I recommend using bleach in a well ventilated area, but and if you're like under age, don't do this. Ask your parents to do it for you. Okay. Well, open your spray bottle. So, this ain't working. So we're just gonna So this is what the shirt looks like after the bleach has sat on it for not even more than 10 minutes. When you dilute the bleach with water, of course, it's going to take longer to bleach your fabric. But yeah, I think the shirt turned out pretty darn cute, if I do say so myself. But make sure you wash your shirt, okay, to get all the extra bleach out, because bleach will eat through your fabric if left on there too long. All right, and this is the white tank. I just want to add a little something to it. So this is the second top that we're going to be DIYing. Now, I want to try to make this one a little more complicated. I do want to make this one into a crossback top, okay? But not just any crossback top. I want to add grommets. Now, if you do not know what grommets are these, the little circle pieces. So what we're going to be doing to this one is we're going to make this one a crossback top, and we are going to dye it. I'm gonna try to like tie-dye it black, okay? Don't know exactly how we're gonna dye it yet, but we're gonna dye this shirt with some black dye, and we're gonna use the grommets. So basically, this tag is the middle of the shirt. I want these strings to come to the middle. Now I got these grommets from Joann's, or probably, yeah, I got it from Joann's, I think, but you can get it from Michael's and Hobby Lobby also. So there are 2 pieces to the grommets. So in doing this, the skinnier circle goes on the top of the garment, and then this piece goes to the bottom of the garment, okay? Hope that makes sense. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the middle of the shirt, which is like here. You could use a ruler, but let's see. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm just going based off the tag, and I'm pretty sure the tag is in the middle of the shirt. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna put a little slit, not a big slit. We're gonna take the skinnier piece of grommet. We're going to stick, I forgot how to use grommets, y'all. This is about to be trial and error. And if I mess up, I just mess up. So you want to take that and feed it through the hole. You can also use like the edge glue to kind of stop it from fraying more. Alright, so then you want to take the garment piece. It comes all in the pack, so you don't have to go searching for this stuff. So you got that edge piece, then you take this metal piece, put that on top, and then you take your trusty hammer. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and snip the straps on both sides of the back of the shirt, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed it into the hole on the shirt. Now I was gonna make this a cross back top, but I just ended up making it like a racer back top. Now as you're tying the knot, make sure you don't like use too much fabric, because make sure you don't use too much string when tying it, because you still want your strap to be comfortable and loose enough on you, because you don't want your shirt to ride up in the back. I could have used less string when tying it. I hope this makes sense. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, don't pull too much string through the hole when tying the knot, or else your straps will be really short and your shirt probably will not fit you. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and get our shirt in a nice little bun, I guess you can call it, because we're actually going to tie-dye it. So you want to grab your shirt from the middle and just twist it like I'm doing. You want to have a couple rubber bands or hair ties or strings or whatever. I only had one rubber band, so it was kind of hard for me to get it in the shape or form that I want. So basically, take your rubber band, tie it around, took all the edges, took all the pieces, so that when you put it in this water here, the dye doesn't get on all pieces of the shirt, and it creates a real cool tie-dye looking look. So it skipped the entire portion of what I did for this. I poured boiling hot water, I poured some salt, and I poured my dye, and I put my shirt in here. The shirt is going to sit in here for about 30 minutes. Halfway through, you want to go ahead and flip your shirt to the other side, or just add enough water so that your entire shirt is submerged. I actually didn't end up flipping it because I forgot. I just kind of went and rinsed it, but the shirt turned out cool anyways. And yeah, this is the after. I think, like I said, it turned out cool anyways. One thing that's bothering me is the string isn't really long enough, so you can't really see the detailing on the back of the shirt, but I still think it's
Telling me what he not gonna do. Wait a minute, first of all, who is you talking to? Hey, never let a broke nigga sex me.